Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and I know that we're a quail farm, but we also love Great Danes, and so we just had a whole litter of Great Dane puppies. So we've got, oh my gosh, some really cute brindles here. Look at that. I know. We've got a ton of black ones. We even have one that's black and has a white heart on its chest. It is the cutest thing. So it's been 2 days. She had them on Friday, and they're gaining weight, and we've got 14 of them. So I'm really excited about that. We just took pictures of all of them after we weighed them because we're weighing them every day. So everybody's doing extremely well. Mommy's doing really well, and they're in our bedroom right now, so my nerves are a little shot with all the noise. But other than that, they are extremely cute and doing extremely well. And so if you're interested, comment below. But we've got to find, 14 new homes. So, but they're growing great, and it's very exciting. So we'll see ya.